Alright, this is a unboxing of the Ingenious Designs portable shortwave lamp UV light for prospecting. We got the box open here. Looks like it comes with a lot of good instructions, which is really nice. A lot of times you normally just get your shipping order and then you're kind of on your own. So that's very convenient. It also gives some advice on what is and is not safe for UV exposure. Got some packing here. Chuck that out real quick. See, I don't see anything in the packing itself, so that's good. It's your standard PC cord. Here, we have a charger. I think there's some type of warning on the side. Universal smart charger. Looks like it's been retrofitted with a special end of some sort. So looks like maybe it might just be some type of PC charging pack. Here we have the battery cell for the flashlight. Seems like it could be slightly more durable construction, but we'll see how it fits into the light here in just a moment. Of course, here we have Nick Brown's business card as well. In me tracking the order, once I made the order, I got a confirmation email right away, which was nice. I did contact them and I got a call back the next day as to when it was going to be shipped. It took about a week and a half to get here at most. I'd say maybe about 9 or 10 days. The light seems to be relatively well packed. Just going to set this on the side here to make some space. So it comes with one charger, one battery pack, which is perfectly acceptable. A small fan there for cooling. So the battery pack sticks to the side, so that I'm okay with. And a lot of people are going to say, well, should it be more rugged? No, this light is not designed for being banged around. You have to be very careful with this light. This is the DRK by Ingenious Designs. As you can see here, there are some guards here for the glass on the light itself. However, if something does hit these grates hard enough, it could actually cause the grates to hit the glass. It looks like they're far enough away where I don't think that's an issue. They seem to be on there pretty solid. My concern might be that maybe the screws would loosen a little bit. A little bit of silicone would probably prevent that. As far as where the connector is, the connector seems to be in a good spot. Pretty fair fit. Not the best, but I believe that would be fine. You see we're turning it on here. It's got a voltage setting. You see the light working. I'm going to shut that off. So that's very nice. Handle seems very grippable, very durable. It's got some type of rubber coating underneath, which seems nice. I like that the handle's larger and it seems to be easily serviceable in the event that I might get it dirty. But this is the light here. The price on this shipped to the house was approximately $498. So we'll see here. According to a lot of other websites that I looked at, this newer model of light that's recently come out here in the United States is supposed to be leading as far as performance, the intensity of the light, the brightness of the light, the quality of the glass on here too. This is a higher quality, I believe the highest quality Hoya glass that you can get. And this also reaches a very low spectrum of UV light at a very high intensity. So as far as that goes, this has been pretty much the entirety of the unboxing. As for whether or not you could try to fit another pack once this one burns out, I would want to do some research and make sure that you're definitely electrically inclined so that you're not creating a dangerous situation for this lithium-ion pack. As for replacing the pack, of course you would most definitely void your warranty trying to get another pack or trying to get a new rechargeable unit here, or power converter. But I'm sure you could probably definitely disassemble this and put your own pack on there with your own connector. Once again, only if you're really inclined electronically inclined. Otherwise it could become very dangerous to have the wrong voltage going in or out, or having the pack charge improperly. Otherwise the pack stays on there really well. The straps look like they'll last a long time. I don't think there's any concern. This is very light, maybe 1.5 pounds, 2 pounds at absolute most. It's got nice rubber feet. The rubber feet could be a little bit thicker. They could really be thicker. If I'm going to set this down someplace, it would be nice to have some feet that, these look like they're fixed on there. It would be nice to have some feet that are maybe this wide and maybe another inch thicker, so that it can sit above something in some rugged terrain without having the risk of hitting that glass. But otherwise, I think this will perform very well. I'm going to take it out and test it tonight and see what it does. But yeah, so this has been the unboxing review for the Ingenious Designs DRK light lamp with the ultra low UV spectrum 35 watt shortwave bulb or shortwave lamp. Thank you for watching this review, and I hope that you have enjoyed it, and I hope that you enjoy prospecting and that you find this helpful. I believe that this light will definitely do the job that it needs to for a prospector using shortwave UV. For the price of $500, we'll compare it to some other stuff and see, but as far as I'm concerned, looking at the other reviews and stuff online, this one seemed to be the best bang for the buck for a professional light. But I'm sure others will say that, you know, for $100 you can get a flashlight or something else that'll do just the job. So I'll post some other videos, and we'll go from there, and we'll see how this thing actually performs. Thank you.